Tehillim 20. For the chief musician. A psalm by David. May Yahuwah answer you in the day of trouble. May the name of the Elohim of Yaakov set you up on high, send you help from the sanctuary, grant you support from Zion. Remember all your offerings and accept your burnt sacrifice. Selah. May He grant you your heart's desire and fulfill all your counsel. We will triumph in your Yeshua. In the name of our Elohim, we will set up our banners. May Yahuwah grant all your requests. Now I know that Yahuwah saves His Mashiach. He will answer him from His holy heaven with the saving strength of His right hand. Some trust in chariots, and some in horses, but we trust the name of Yahuwah our Elohim. They are bowed down and fallen, but we rise up and stand upright. Save, Yahuwah. Let the King answer us when we call.